guys, welcome to a new episode on Rasoi Saga. Today we are doing something super quick, super healthy and super delicious for you all. This is a no sugar, no maida, no added preservative recipe that you can easily make at home and enjoy during the tea time as a snack. So let us get started. Today we are making seed crackers that contains all the goodness from healthy seeds. For the seeds, we'll be using the Avadata Organics Super Snack Mix. This is a seed mix that contains roasted pumpkin, sunflower, chia, melon and flax seeds. And we'll be using the entire mix in the dough of our crackers and make them super crunchy and super healthy. Also, if you have not subscribed to Rasoi Saga yet, what are you waiting for? There's a bright red button right below the video. Go ahead and subscribe while we start with the recipe. So for the recipe, we have 1 cup of whole wheat flour, half cup of oats flour, some mixed Italian herbs like oregano, red chili flakes, salt, oil and water. Replacement, if you don't have oats flour, you can completely make them with whole wheat flour or atta also. We are using oats flour, which is nothing but your regular oats grinded in the mixer. We are using half cup of that to add a little bit of flavor and texture to the dish. But if you don't have oats flour, use only atta for the recipe. It will come out super good as well. So let us get started. So first we'll take a big bowl in which we'll add 1 cup of whole wheat flour or your regular atta. Then we add half cup of oats flour. You can skip this step and add only atta as well. Now for the dry ingredients and to add a little bit of flavor, we take salt. This is 1 tablespoon salt. We're taking a little bit of white pepper powder. You can also use garlic powder here. We are taking some oregano and red chili flakes. You can use paprika or red chili powder also. Use the red chili flakes according to the amount of spiciness you want in the crackers. Take these and we give it a good mix.
Now we'll be using the Super Snacks Protein Mix by Avadata Organics.
A dry mix. So here we are, we have the 5-in-1 seed mix that we'll be adding to the dry dough. 2 tablespoons of the seed mix and coat it well with the flour. The seeds will add to the crunch and it will also enhance the health factor of these crackers. So we are done with the dry dough and now it's time to mix the liquid ingredients, for which we'll be taking 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can also use any flavorless oil here, sunflower oil or any other oil. We are using 2 tablespoons of olive oil and now we'll be taking water to bring the dough together. This is just like, you can treat it as your roti dough and take enough water so that your dough comes together. So let us take a little bit more water. Be very careful at this step because you have to make sure that the dough doesn't become very wet or runny. Just like your roti dough, make everything come together. Use your hands because obviously that is more comfortable. So look at that guys, the dough is coming together. We have not added any more water because we don't want it to become runny or sticky. So you have to make sure that you get a tight dough like you would get to make your rotis at home. Integrate the seeds in the dough well so that they don't fall out when you are rolling out the dough for the crackers. Okay, so our cracker dough is ready guys. Now we'll be resting this dough for 30 minutes before we roll them out and start baking. Meanwhile, we'll be lining a cookie tray or a round baking tray with oil. You can also use melted butter here. The dough is resting and next we roll out the dough to form our healthy crackers. Okay, so our dough is well rested now for 30 minutes. So just like you would roll out a regular roti, we'll take a part of the dough from here and now we'll roll it out on this surface. Alright, nice and easy. The dough has come together well. Roll it out on the surface and you can see all the colors, all the seeds, and it's looking good to me. Roll it out thin because the thinner your crackers are, the crunchier they will be, and obviously that will be better to consume. So now we are using cookie cutters to cut out shapes. You can use a regular knife and cut out shapes too, just to make it a little fancy or Instagrammable. We are using cookie cutters to cut out shapes from these crackers. We have cut them out and we'll place them on the cookie tray that we had oiled previously. And here I am using another cookie cutter. So we keep repeating the process for the entire dough. So we are ready to bake these crackers at 170 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Keep an eye on the oven and make sure that they don't overbake or burn out in the oven. Okay, so nice and easy. Our 5-in-1 seed crackers are now out of the oven. If you guys can hear the crunch. The crunch is coming because of the fact that I have rolled them very thin. The thinner you roll the crackers, the crunchier they will be when they are finally baked. And the crunch is also coming from the mix of seeds that we have used for baking these healthy beauties. You can have them as a tea time snack or in the morning with your coffee or chai. I absolutely love these crackers. They are healthy, quick, easy to make, and anyone can try them. So why don't you guys give it a try? So if you guys want to purchase the mix of these seeds, these 5 healthy seeds in one packet from Avadatta Organics, go to the link in my YouTube description and also in the pinned comment. You will be redirected to their website and you can purchase the seeds from there. I'm enjoying my seed crackers. Try them out and let me know in the comment section below if you tried them too. And yeah, subscribe to Rasoi Saga. Stay tuned for the next video. And I'll see you guys with another recipe next time.